Are you ready for week 5 in our Altered Paper Clips challenge? Hi, this is Marsha. Welcome back to Markets of Sunshine. Today we are going to be making another very cute and unique altered paper clip. So here are the supplies that you will need for today's challenge. If you're going to take part, please use the hashtag MOS Altered Paper Clips and then the number 5. So each week, we started off, week 1 is just, the number just changes at the end according to what week we're on, and you can go back and I'll link the playlist at the end so you can catch up and you can see what's going on with the challenge and how to take part. It's just a fun thing and it's just a unique way. I'm going to just share with you all the different styles and ways that I've found to make these cute, adorable little embellishments. They can be used in your junk journal. You can add an altered paper clip to a scrapbook page. You can add your altered paper clip to Happy Mail. You can add your altered paper clip to a book page. So you get the idea. They're perfect little ways to put a gift card in and give it to someone. So whatever the occasion, you cannot go wrong giving an altered paper clip. So today you will need cardstock and a paper clip. I use the 2-inch size, and then you will need a candy wrapper. You will need a piece of cardboard. I'm using corrugated cardboard, and the way you get the corrugated cardboard is you just cut off the flap of one of the boxes and you peel it apart. There's a front layer and a back layer, and you get the corrugated section that's in the middle of those two layers. And you need a hexagon shape, which I happen to have fabric in my stash that had hexagon patterns, so I just cut out the little individual hexagons, and something stenciled. So you'll need a stencil and either paint or gesso, and that's it. And you will also need your glue, maybe a stapler, your distress inks, what else? Maybe a sewing machine. Okay, and then today's bonus is decorating the paper clip at the top. So as you can see here, what I did is I added a piece of silk and a piece of lace. I took it to the sewing machine and I just stitched across the top. And now to put this on and use it on the cardstock, all I need to do is come here. And then today, what I'm going to do, which I thought this was a really clever idea that I saw a lady do, is you take a piece of clear packing tape and you come in here and you just line up your paper clip where you want it to be. And then you take your clear packing tape and you just put it around it. So that will hold your paper clip in place so that it doesn't move on you, and then you can come back in and you can glue this or you can sew it, whatever you choose to do. I just happen to have clear packing tape because of my Etsy shops, and I send out a lot of orders, so that's always handy to keep that. And you just come down a little bit from the top. Then you smooth your piece of tape out. Now I'm going to take this to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew down these two sides. And then I'm going to come in and add just a little bit of glue up at the top. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And I'm using Aleene's tacky glue. I've already inked the edges of these, so got a lot of that prep stuff done. Trying to save as much time as possible. Alright, so this is a 3-inch by 2 3/4 inch. And this one is 3 inches by 2 1/2 inch. So you can make them whatever size you decide. So I'm going to do the same thing here, just put a little bit right up here at the top. And again, you can glue yours, sew it, whatever you want to do. You don't have to use the packing tape inside, you can use glue there as well. But just to hold the paper clip in place, I thought was a very, very, very good idea. Okay, so then while this is setting up, I'll let that set up for a few minutes, and then I will show you what I did with the cardboard. So this is still drying, it's very wet still. So this one is just the candy wrapper, and I stenciled on it using my white gesso and a floral stencil, and then came in and took the little hexagon shapes and then just put them just, you know, anywhere I wanted to. And then the edges of the candy wrapper, I chose to leave that there, and I just cut little slits all the way down to kind of, you know, ruffle the edge. And then once I've had that sewn, then I will come in and I will glue that to the front. Just a very fun and unique way. So whatever color your candy wrapper is, whatever type of candy wrapper you have, yours will be different. Now what I did with this next one is I took the whole hexagon pattern and I cut it out, and then I glued it to the cardboard, and as you can see, I tried to mash it into the little grooves, and then I came back in and I gessoed the stencil on top. And then with my candy wrapper, I made the little flowers that we made the other day in one of the first video with our altered paper clip, and then I just stapled it. And then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to glue him right here to the corner. I thought he would be really cute right there. So just right here at the top corner. So just again, it just adds a cute bit of interest to the paper clip, just something fun, unique, you know, and this would be fun for, you know, anyone, because it's just a useful thing to have, and it's a, like I said, it's a playful thing to have. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and thank you so much for tuning in to my channel, and I'm seeing that you're enjoying my organizing series on Monday. So every Monday is our organizing tips and ideas for your craft room, for storage, on budget-friendly tips. So I'll just share with you what I use in my craft room, and I'm showing that with you, and you're really enjoying it, so thank you for that. And then the Altered Paper Clips Challenge is a 12-week series. So we are on week 5, like I said, so we have 7 more weeks to go on this. And then starting the first of the year, which I know, but that's, you know, what, 5 months away? We are going to do a complete new series with art journaling and a smash book, and it's something fun, and I know you're absolutely going to love it, and it will probably wind up being a anywhere from a 7-week to a 12-week series. As again, I may do a whole 52-week series for all of next year, just depending on what ideas I can incorporate with this new technique that I found that we can use to embellish in our junk journal, scrapbook, smash book, glue books, whatever you want to use, and whatever you want to, you know, art journals, a planner, your bullet journal. It will work with anything, and you are going to love trying this new technique and putting it in your creations. So, now what else do I have to tell you? Oh yes, the embellishment kits. I'm working, you know, have those out available, and I wanted to let you know too that they are going to become filled with all kinds of goodies. They have an altered paper clip. These are available in my Etsy shop now. They're only $10. You have to grab one of these and pick it up. So I started with the May kit, and I've just keep adding and adding and adding. So there's 4 pockets inside. This is how it opens. And each pocket will be filled with all kinds of goodies. So here's a journal card. that will go in one of the pockets. Here's another journal card that I made. Isn't that beautiful? So you can write on the back, and it's layered, and it has the little rhinestones. So it's just really, really pretty. So each of these will be filled with all kinds of goodies. So I hope you will head on over to my Etsy shop and check this out and pick one of these up. So the covers are all going to be floral designed, and they're a very sizes, and they will all also come with a roll of washi tape, and it also comes with my little handmade yo-yos that I make out of vintage fabric. There's going to be a heart-shaped one, and then 3 circle sizes, and then the journaling card kits. So, and then again, like you can see, this one is larger. Whoops, this one is, you know, a little bit smaller than that. And then the sizes that I have after this they just graduate down in size. So I pick out a size, and that's what I send you. So that element of it is a surprise, and then how I decorate each of the embellishments that come on the inside, and of course your altered paperclip will be all vary as well. But it's a great value. You get a lot of embellishments. You'll love it. So please head on over to my Etsy shop and help support my channel here so I can keep bringing you videos and pick up this great deal. Now, you can also join my newsletter to get a 20% off coupon that you can use all year long. And you can join our Facebook group, Junk Journal Junction. And you also get freebies in there from other members in our group. And in my newsletter, you get a digital freebie from me. You get organizing tips and worksheet from me. You get your coupon code. And I also offer different specials throughout the year that are for my newsletter subscribers only. And so if you want to get in on those deals, then please head on over to my link at the link below. I'll put it in the description below, and you can just sign up. And I'll send out the monthly newsletter with the freebies. And then when I have any new products or things like that, I'll send out email maybe dispersed throughout the month. All right, so, but no spamming, and it's a lot of fun. You'll really enjoy it. So thank you again for being here with me, and I will see you in the next creative video. Keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.